Hey y'all, Joe here. Today we're going to be putting these no dig edging right here, and we're going to put metal edging on the grass side. And then we're going to fill it with rocks, super easy. My kids helped me. You could do it too. If you guys like my garden back there, we did the raised beds. You could check out that video. And we have another video on the arches, another video on the watermelons, even another video on how to put those insect houses and the little bugs back there. All right, let's do this. First step is simply unrolling the no-dig edging and hammering down the anchoring spikes. Our dirt is super compact, so what I didn't show you is that I soaked the dirt deeply so that the spikes would go in easier. He's not putting the spikes in every hole, but adding it to every third hole. These are the anchoring spikes we use, and this is what they look like. We've used metal ones before, but those began to rust, and we don't like that. I'm soaking the dirt again because this is a whole different day. We can't seem to finish projects all in the same day sometimes because we have little ones that require our attention. So don't feel bad if you can't finish this one day project in one day. I already had edging and rocks on the other end, so I'm just measuring so that I'm placing this edging even to that side. As you can see, I aligned the edging and then got my cutter and ever so nicely cut it so straight. I don't know why I didn't do that to the other side, but I freehanded it and cut it way too much. Learn from my mistakes and don't do that. Here he's removing just two sides of the metal edging, which was four of the spikes. Some of them are put on pretty tightly. I couldn't do it. I tried. So that's why I had to get my muscle and he did it for me. And this is fast forwarded and he still took a long time. They were on there pretty tight. I thought we could just hammer the edging down, but the dirt was still pretty compact and wasn't allowing the edging to go down smoothly. So my hubby dug the edge in with the shovel, which made it easier to mallet the edging in. And just to let you know, we're going to do another video later on how to lay these brick pavers as well. We didn't take a video of when we put these last year, but we'll be putting some on the other side of the yard soon. So hit that bell button to get notifications and hopefully we could help you install those easy peasy. They're actually still not even completed on this side. We need to put the sand sealant in between. So they've been without it for a year and haven't moved a bit. So that's a sign that we laid them correctly. You could see me stepping on the edge while he hammers because as he hammers one side, the other side starts to lift. But if I keep my foot there, it stays put and helps him out. After aligning the metal edging evenly with the grass, we then hammered in the four spikes that we took off. I already had this weed barrier handy, so I'm cutting it, folding it, and using garden and fabric staples to hold the landscaping fabric. I'm adding a second layer of this gray color because my rocks are gray, so it'll blend a little better. Plus, I get an extra layer of barrier and hopefully that grass won't come through as easy. My kiddos volunteered to help put the rocks, but they only did it halfway through when they got tired, so I had to finish the job. As you can see, the other edging I had on already is a little too high, so I'm gonna have to hit that down later to even it out. That's it. I hope we helped out. I hope you do it in your yard, and thanks for watching.